The LSK-121 Cosmetic app allows dentists and patients to plan out full mouth restorations with simple, accurate, and outstanding results, right in the palm of their hands. If this is your first time using the app, or you want to familiarize yourself to see how certain features work, this step-by-step instructional guide will walk you through everything the app has to offer. This guide will walk you through account setup, account login, password reset, home screen options, smile selection, upper design, tissue color selection, shade selection, and digital RX submission. When setting up an account, open the app on your smartphone, then click on Sign Up. On the Create Account screen, fill in your personal or business information. Once filled out, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a one-time verification password. Enter the one-time password or OTP, and then click Verify OTP. If you already have an account, enter your email address from the login screen. Then enter your password. Then click on the Login button. If you forgot your password or need to reset it, click Forgot Password. Next, enter the email address associated with your app account. Then click the Reset Password button. Then enter the one-time password. Now click on the Verify OTP button. Enter and confirm your new password. On the home screen of the app, you'll see three options: Smile Selection, Shade Selection, and the digital RX submission form. First, let's go over the Smile Selection. Click on the Smile Selection button. View the available smiles, then click the Start prompt when you're ready. Take a vertical picture of the patient's normal smile. Adjust the midline and the horizontal line as necessary. Add a black privacy bar over the patient's eyes if need be. Use the pen tool to write notes on the photo if desired. Then click the checkmark button to proceed. Now, take a retracted smile photo of the patient's teeth. Click the checkmark button if you're happy with the photo. If not, click the X button to retake it. Now, select one of the smiles from the available menu. Resize the smile to fit the patient's mouth and position it properly. Click the Fit Teeth button to place the smile in the patient's mouth. Click Proceed if you're happy with the way the smile looks. If not, click the Redo button. Click OK to move on to the next step, or click Cancel to redo this step. After completing the Smile Design section, click the Upper Design button. Adjust the selected smile against the retracted photo. You can also use the slider on the right side of the screen to adjust the transparency of the new teeth. If you wish to readjust it, click on Cancel. If you're happy with your smile placement, click on Proceed. After completing the smile design section and the optional upper design, click the Tissue Color button. Draw a line on the screen around the tissue area of the patient's teeth. Click the icon to the right to bring up the tissue tabs. Select one of the tabs to change the tissue color. If you're happy with the tissue color selected, click on the check mark. Now let's move on to the shade selection. You can also get to this step immediately by clicking on Shade Selection at the home screen. Hold your phone up to the patient's natural teeth. You can select the shade tabs manually or click on the AI button to auto-select the tabs. You can scroll through more tabs by selecting the left and right arrows on the screen. If you like the selected tabs, click the Submit button. Confirm the photos before proceeding to the Digital RX submission. Finally, let's look at the Digital RX submission form. You can also get to this step automatically from the home screen. Select the Digital RX submission type. Choose between CSG Press, Lithium Disilicate, or Full Mouth Implant RX forms. Fill out all the necessary information, then click Submit. With the Smile Selection, Shade Selection, and Digital RX submission forms, the LSK 121 Cosmetic app makes it easier than ever for dentists and patients to communicate with our lab to ensure the best possible restorations are fabricated.